We recently moved into a new house and we've been finding little things here and there to remedy. Whenever it's windy, this gate down the side of the property keeps banging, and at night it makes enough noise to keep us awake. Let's go and have a look. Alright, issue number 1, I found the strike plate was loose. I had a go at tightening the tech screws and the bottom one came good, but the top one was over tightened, so I pulled it out. I scrounged up a replacement screw with a button head, meaning the thread has a bit more travel. So I screwed that in and bang, heaps tighter now. Issue number 2. To stop the strike plate from loosening again, I wanted to install a stop on the door. I thought about a couple of locations, but in the end this was the best spot. Now the force of the door closing isn't hitting the inside of the strike plate. There's a little piece of foam here to try and save the powder coat from getting damaged. Lastly, there's one other issue we can solve. When the gate opens, there's nothing stopping it from hitting this retaining wall. I've bought this door stop that also includes a latch, so I can hold the gate open if I need to bring anything through. It was simple to install, just mark and screw the hook onto the gate, then line up the bump stop and latch on the retaining wall. I used a masonry drill bit and some wall plugs to attach the bump stop. I only used 2 out of the 4 holes to attach it to the wall, but it's real solid. Now a test fit. Perfect. Oh well, cheers for watching, hopefully you enjoyed that and you maybe picked up some tips on tightening up your own gate. See you in the next one.